Let us start, sir.
Yes. Hello.
Sir, let's start. Am I audible to you, sir?
Hello.
Hello.
It is audible?
Yes, sir, it is audible, sir.
Yes.
Shall I start, sir?
Okay.
It's a great honor for me to introduce and welcome our chief guest of the day, Mr. R. Shantalingam, a retired general manager who has a standing experience of more than 33 years in Canara Bank and also practicing advocate in Madras High Court. And he has rendered service as a branch in charge in bank and across India he has served. Thank you, sir. We welcome you, sir. Let us start.
Okay. Vanakkam, madam.
Vanakkam, sir.
Vanakkam. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, sir.
I am happy to having this webinar to the prospective advocates and legal
Participants,
experts.
kindly mute your
I am very
audio.
opportunity person to have this webinar to the people of studying law, graduate, the people who are studying now in the law graduate are very opportunity people because the advocates are social reformer and as engineers they are developing image building. As a doctor, they will release the mental agony of the people who are needy jurisdiction legal aspects. The people are studying in law nowadays, having venues, having opportunities more than ancient people like us studying with classroom lecture and materials available at that time. We are learning process is very difficult. Nowadays, the people are having more venues like digital technology, like this webinar and classroom studies, internet. All the materials are available easily to learn the process. The people are the advocate peoples. The investment is knowledge, intelligence. What they are presenting the matter to the forum concerned. The knowledge and the intelligence is more powerful of this profession. The advocate or the social reformer, as I told, in the society are very much essential. They are downtrodden people from lower level to higher level. They are advising and explaining the position. They are giving remedy to the mental agony or they want whatever the jurisdiction. In that people, they are required legal remedy. Now, I would like to thank very much to Madam Vidyasri and this program coordinator Latika Sri and great your institution Savita School of Law. The madam approached, the Vidyasri approached me, the head of business law and assistant professor of law approached me for this webinar. I simply accept because this type of technology lecture I have so far not engaged. Now I am very opportunity person to have a discussion or lecture in the webinar with the prospective advocates and legal experts. The advocates are doing various aspects, various phenomena, various forums. They are not only the professional, they are helping the people, they are helping the nation. Like that. What today we are discussing, the prospects and opportunity career of the law.
Hello, sir. Sir, you haven't unmute your audio, sir. Yes, sir. Now it's okay. Sir, it's not audible, sir. First unmute for me.
Okay. 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 Hello. The banking system. Okay. The banking system receiving the deposit from the public and lending as advances and loan to the another needy people. I can say that receiving help from the public and giving help to the another people. The banking system, entire system and procedure, doing the work, customer service, everything is the law and act. There are so many acts. The major act, Banking Regulation Act, Reserve Bank of India Act, or Consumer Forum Act. So many, more than 70, 75 acts are coming into the picture, operation of the bank. First of all, the customer coming into the bank. A customer is having account with bank or transaction with the bank by way of check or digital system. The check and the basic document for the transaction in the bank is check. Under Negotiable Instrument Act, check is defined as in the law. Every document available in law only. In Negotiable Instrument Act, we are giving the check to withdraw money or giving to money to the third party by the customer is providing check. When we are opening the account in the bank, the basic document application itself having legal point. So every transaction, every act of the banking operation coming under law is contract law, Evidence Act, Companies Act, Business Act, Registration Act. So many act negotiable is locally available for everything by act only. Suppose the foreign transaction, export and import governed by the FEMA, Foreign Export Management Act. Like this FEMA will come into the picture in the banking system for export and import. So likewise, Indian from the basic business people, every people, they are coming to the picture of banking, getting financial assistance. Before nationalization, the banking is opened for some particular people. But after nationalization, every people, every individual, from the agriculture to business people, all the venues are open, all the people to get into the bank for financial assistance. Women entrepreneur, businessman, agriculture, housing loan, agriculture loan, everything coming to the picture for social reform and the upliftment of the people, development of the nation, development of the people, everything under banking system. The, after nationalization, the people are very much kind enough to approach what are all the facilities available to the people, what are all the facilities available to the business people, and mainly I can say education loan. Education loan is the very much available to the student for foreign studies and also Indian studies. Some loan is available for without security and with security. What type of security we are getting? The collateral security, land and building, land, everything we can take as security in the way of mortgage and giving loan to the needy people. It is very much easy for them. What is the lawyer involved in this picture of getting loan? The advocates are two types. One panel advocate and law officer appointed by the bank. They are working in the bank. What is the panel advocate doing? Practicing advocate in private, and they are helping to the people, to the bank by way of legal scrutiny report. How they are working for the bank, for the customer, and for the people. The panel advocate are having some experience approach the bank for empanelment of his name. The advocates getting empanelment of panel advocate, they will get document for scrutiny report. What is scrutiny report? If the customer wanted to have a loan with collateral security, the branch requests the party to give document. What are all the document, current document, parent document, and EC, tax bill, everything we need. On the basis of given the document, the panel advocate scrutinizing the document, the genuinity of the document, the workful of the document, or whether it is marketable title deed or otherwise, they will clearly
So kindly unmute your audio, sir.
Sir, your voice not audible.
It's not audible here.
okay. Now, hello.
Yes, sir. Now it's audible, sir.
It's okay now. It's okay.
The advocate scrutinizing the document, what are all the required documents to the bank, and in general, they are scrutinizing the parent document, current document, everything in written, they will give report. Based on the report, the branch will send the legal scrutiny report to the higher level legal section. They will in turn permitted to sanction the law. the panel advocate is getting